Welcome to our channel Blender Tips. In this tutorial, you will learn that how we can create a realistic procedural glass by using the Eevee render engine in Blender. So, I create a scene in which I place a different objects. So, first I select the object and I open the shader editor in which I press the new button, and here you can see that a node is added to our node editor, and here the material is also added in the material section, and here I decrease the roughness to 0, and here I increase the transmission value full, and I want also use this material to this object. Nice. And here in blend mode I select alpha hashed, and also in shadow mode I select alpha hashed, and also turn on screen space reflection, and here screen space reflection, and open this panel and also turn on reflection. Beautiful. This create a somewhat like a glass type material, but we make it a pure glass. So for that I add some node. So here I add, press shift A to add a transparent BSDF, and I place it here. I select principal BSDF and transparent BSDF and press Ctrl 0 to add a mix shader. Beautifully. Nice. And I also add another node which is Fresnel, and I connect the factor of the Fresnel with the mix shader. Beautiful. And here you can see that the index of refraction of the glass is 1.45. Here you can see that we create a realistic procedural glass in Blender by using the Eevee render engine. We can also add the color ramp. Press shift A in between Fresnel and the mix shader, and here you can adjust the value as you want according to your preferences. If you want to get this realistic procedural glass shader, then you can visit my Patreon page. The link of the Patreon is in description. Thanks for watching.